Welcome, my dear student. I introduce myself. I am Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School near DC Office, Faridpur. Today, lessons identity, class 9 and 10, subject English second paper, narration, direct and indirect speech, class number 1. Look at the picture and answer the question. Rahat said to Sajid, "How are you?" Rahat asked Sajid how he was. What do you understand by the images? Yes, direct and indirect speech. Dear students, today's lesson, narration, direct and indirect speech. Learning outcome of this lesson: define the narration, identify a special criteria of narration, change the narration if the reported speech is assertive. Definition of narration or speech: the art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. Dear student, the art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. There are two main ways of reporting the words of a speaker. Speeches are classified into two kinds. One kind is direct and another is indirect. Now, firstly, we know about direct speech. In this form, the actual words of the speaker are put in quotes. Example number 1, Rama said, "I am very busy now." In the above example, the speaker Rama is known as reporter. Said is known as reporting verb and I am very busy is known as reported speech. Understand, dear students? Now I discussion about indirect speech. In this form, the actual words of the speaker are transformed and said written in simple manner. Example, Rama said that he was very busy then. Basic rules to convert a direct speeches into indirect. There are 5 basic things that have to be changed while converting a direct speech to an indirect speech. Number 1, to change the reporting verb according to the reported speech. Number 2, to remove the inverted commas from the direct speech and replace them with an appropriate conjunction. Number 3, to change the pronoun of reported speech accordingly. Number 4, change the adverbs of the direct speech. Rajiv said, "I shall go to picture today." This is direct speech. And indirect speech is, Rajiv told me that he would go to picture that day. In the above example, reporting verb said to is changed into told. Inverted commas are replaced by the conjunction that. Reported speech's pronoun I is changed into he. Reported speech's verb shall go is changed into would go, as another changes today is changed with the word that day. Dear student, from this slide we know rules of the change of pronouns. Here is a chart: nominative, possessive, objective and reflexive. I, possessive my, objective me, reflexive myself. We, possessive our, objective us, reflexive ourselves. Nominative you, possessive yours, objective you, reflexive yourself. Nominative he, possessive his, objective him, reflexive himself. Nominative she, possessive her, objective her, reflexive herself. Nominative they, possessive their, objective them and reflexive themselves. It is very important for you, dear student. Now from this slide, pronouns are changed according to a rule designated as SON where. Now we know about SON where. S stands for subject, O stands for object, N stands for no change. Number 1, first person changes to subject of reporting verb, second person changes to object of reporting verb. There is no change if it is a third person. Okay, dear student. Now, rule number 1, first person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Direct, she says, comma, inverted comma, I am in 10th class, inverted comma, finish. Indirect speech, she says, inverted comma, converted, that I, first person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb, she. I converted to she. There is no change in tense because reporting verb is present tense. Person she, then is correct verb for this subject in 10th class. Direct speech, I say I am an honest man. I say that I am an honest man. First person I is no sense because reporting verb subject is I. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. We know about second person. Second person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to object of reporting verb. Now example, direct, she says to me, you have done your work. You, second person pronoun of reported speech, me. She tells me that you change to I because reporting verb or reporting verb's object me change to reported speech subject you. I have done your converted to my work. Example 2, she says to her, you have done your work. She tells her that her subject is she. Then auxiliary verb has done your sense to her work. Another example, direct, I say to them, you have done your work, I told them that you means they, them, subjective is they have done, your converted to their work. Rule number 3, third person pronoun of reported speech is not changed. It is very easy. He says he does not work hard. He says that he does not work hard, because third person, he is a third person pronoun of reported speech is not changed. Dear student, direct, another example, direct. Everybody says they have spoken the truth. Everybody says that they have spoken the truth. They is not changed because they is third person. Rules of change of verb or tense. Rules of change of verb or tense. Rule number 1, if reporting verb is given in present or future tense, then there will be no change in the verb of tense of reported speech. If reporting verb is given in present, the teacher says it is present. Another example, the teacher will say, that is future. So, reported speech's tense is not changed. Example, Gayatri performs on the stage. Gayatri performs on the stage. There is no change. The teacher is saying Gayatri performs on the stage. The teacher is saying that Gayatri performs on the stage. Reported speech's tense is no change, because reporting verb is present or future. Okay, another example, the teacher will say Gayatri is performing on the stage. The teacher will say that Gayatri is performing on the stage. The teacher will say is a future tense. Okay, dear student, I think that you understand the rules. Rule number 2, if reporting verb is given in past tense, then the tense of the verb of reported speech will change into corresponding past tense. Repeat, if reporting verb is given in past tense, dear student, be careful about these rules. If reporting verb is given in past tense, then the tense of the verb of reported speech will change into corresponding past tense. Direct, the teacher said, I am suffering from fever. The teacher said that I change to see, and verb am suffering change to present continuous, change to present past continuous. She was suffering from fever. Another example, she said to me, I took the breakfast in the morning. Indirect, she told me that she had taken the breakfast in the morning. Corresponding change to past form in direct speech from the verb in reported speech. Simple present change into simple past. Present continuous change to past continuous. Present perfect change to past perfect. Present perfect continuous change to past perfect continuous. Past continuous change to past perfect continuous. In future tense, will oblique shall change to would. Can changes to could. May change to might. Simple present tense change to past tense. Present continuous change to past continuous. Present perfect change to past perfect. Future perfect continuous change to past perfect. Present perfect continuous change to past perfect continuous. Simple past tense change to past perfect. Past perfect continuous and past perfect tense not change. In future tense, will shall change to would, can change to could, and may change to might. Some of the exceptional cases of rule 2. Exception 1, if reporting speech has universal truth or habitual truth fact, then there is no sense in the tense. Universal truth or habitual fact. Our teacher said the earth is round. the earth is round is universal truth. So there is no sense in tense in this case. Our teacher said that the earth is round, universal truth. Rajiv said to me, he plays with right hand. Rajiv told me that he plays with right hand. This is habitual fact. Exception 2. If reporting speech has past historical fact, then there is no change in the case in the tense. Our teacher said Ashok left her after the conquest of Kalinga. Our teacher said that Ashok left her after the conquest of Kalinga. Tense is no sense because it is a past historical fact. The sentence is past historical fact. Dear student, exception 3. If reporting speech has two actions to be happened at a time, then there is no sense in the tense. She said, my wife was making lunch when I was studying. Indirect, she said that her wife was making lunch when she was studying. Two actions to be happened at a time, then there is no sense in the tense. My wife was making lunch. It is another action is I was studying. So tense is no change. Exception 4. If reporting speech has some imagined condition, then there is no sense in the tense. She said, if I were rich, I would help him. She said that if she were rich, she would help her. Imagined condition. Exception 5. If reporting speech contains a third form to infinitive and would, could, should, must, might, ought to, etc., then there is no sense in the tense. Direct, she said to me, you should obey your elders. Indirect, she told me that you, reporting speech object me, sense to I should obey your sense to my elders. Okay, dear student, now for your pair work, rules of change of pronouns. The students, I gave you a homework. Corresponding change to past form in direct speech from the verb in reported speech. Dear student, today our class is in our second class, narration class number 2 is very important for you. I hope that you will watch my narration part 2 class. See you again. Safe stay at home and safe life. Thank you very much. Okay.